Hello, champ, and welcome to week 3. Our topic for week 3 is the states of matter. And of course, on the slide, you're seeing the 3 states of matter: the solid state, liquid state, and the gaseous state. So you learn what the 3 states of matter are and their examples. So in this class, we'll learn the meaning of matter by way of reiteration. You already know what matter is. Look at some examples of matter, then the 3 states of matter. Then we can now group matter into the 3 states. That will be your own activity. So first, let's look at what matter is. We are just doing a review here. I'm sure you know what matter is. We've been doing this from our first class, our grade 1, elementary 1. So matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. You are matter, I am matter. In fact, the stuff around us is matter. Everything is made of matter. Are we good? Okay, so some examples of matter are air, rock, oil, pebble, bubble, steam, and it just goes on like that. Everything around us is made of matter because all these things I've mentioned now, they have mass. That means the stuff that's inside of them, and they occupy space. So they are matter. Don't you occupy space? For example, you are sitting on a chair and they ask somebody else to sit on that same chair. There will be no space for that person to sit because you're already occupying the space that the chair has to offer, right? So you are matter. Now the states of matter are 3: solid, liquid, and gas. Matter can change states. Yes, a solid can become a liquid and a liquid can become a gas. And the reason for this change of state is because of a change in temperature. So when there's a change in temperature, then matter can change states. For example, if there's a rise in temperature, solid matter like ice can become liquid matter like water. And further rise in temperature can make liquid water become gaseous water called steam. So this change in temperature can also lead to the change of state. We'll look at that more in our classes, future classes. So examples of solid here, we have ice, rock, book, floor, wood. You say something peculiar about all these things, they are hard. So solids are majorly hard, they have a fixed shape, they have a fixed volume. But you might say, but Mrs. Tessie, floor is not hard, it's powdery. Yes. So not all solids are exactly hard. There are some exceptions. Powder, floor, like you can see here. Sand, sand is not that hard. It's not hard. It's powdery. It can actually flow like, floor, but it's still a solid. Alright, so you know other examples of solids in your home: shelf bag, your lunch bag, your water bottles. All those are examples of solid. Now look at liquids: water, oil, blood, urine, saliva. All these are examples of liquid states of matter. Right? Okay, so these states of matter, one thing that is peculiar about them is that they flow. They flow. Yes. Okay, so tell me which amongst them does not flow. None, actually. They flow. So the particles, the force that holds the particles together are not so hard, and that is why they are allowed to flow. They can flow. And the third state of matter, gas. Examples, we have air, steam, bubble, fart, smoke. Some of you might giggle when you hear fart. Yes, each time you shift your weight to one side and then you release the air, you foul the air. That state of matter is the gaseous state of matter, that fart you release. Then smoke. Smoke is a gas too, right? But it has some solid particles suspended in it. So smoke is gas with solid particles suspended in it, but then it can be categorized as a gas. Now, I want you to quickly do this home or class or portal activity, whichever way you might want to name it. Categorize all these examples shown on the slide into the states of matter. You can submit the assignment to me in class, or better still, you can put the assignment, your answers in notes and questions section on the portal. So jam, butter, powder milk, food color, vinegar, salt, steam, petrol, car fumes. Which states of matter do these belong to. So thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed the class and I've learned one or two things. Until our next class, it's a goodbye from me. Bye.